And then the second question that we had was, how much should you start with investing? Whatever amount that you think that you want to start with in your head. Our general rule of thumb is first to learn how to trade properly before you invest $1. So knowing how you're going to trade, and we don't mean by you being able to say that you're using Robinhood as your broker. That's not being able to explain how you trade. What we mean is if you can articulate your game plan, how you look to take profits, how to get out of losers. That's explaining how you plan to trade. Once you can do that, whatever amount you'd like to start with, we typically say to start with half of that. Very simple. If you're great and you make money, it's very easy to add the rest. If you do poorly and you lose some money, you'll probably be a little bit more happier that you lost half the money versus all of it. And again, the amount you start with really isn't that important in the beginning. It's not going to matter in 10 years from now. What will matter and what is much more important is going to be how much you save weekly. So say if you wanted to start with $2,000, start with $1,000. If you can save $5 a week, start there and slowly increase it over time. So that's our take on what you should start with investing.